Hey guys, this is Kamranur from Agentic. I hope you all are doing great. Guys, in this video, we will learn how we connect our thread account in n8n via the Metagraph API. Previously, we have learned how we can connect our Facebook page and Instagram account in n8n with the Meta. So before starting, I would like to share one thing that unlike the Facebook page or Instagram, n8n has no specific node. So we are going to use here HTTP request node to integrate our thread account in n8n. So what is the requirement like access token or API? We must need here access token, and that is we are going to get from the Meta. So I will tell you step by step. Just close it. Close it. And in this video, I will also tell you how we extend our access token from ANR to 60 days, because Meta gives you access token with an hour validity. So now let's come on the first step. Go to your developer.facebook.com. Right here, developer.facebook.com. Your application will be opened. So this is the application we had created for our Facebook page, Instagram account, and WhatsApp business phone number account. But through this application, we cannot integrate our thread account, because regarding the threads account, Meta structure is different. So to integrate the threads account, we are going to create one more app which is dedicated to threads account. So here you can see a button, create app. Guys, if you want to know that how can we create the app, you can just follow my previous videos. I will share the link in description box. I have the complete video over it step by step. So just click on create app. Click on here, create app. Give the app name, any of the name you can give here. I'm giving this name as threads auto posting. Here by default your email address is showing. So click on next, keep it on featured, and here you will see the option, this one, thread, access the threads API. Just click on it, select it, scroll down, click on next. On this page, it is showing your portfolios, business portfolio over here, and click on next. No need to do anything here. Just click on next. Again, on this page, there is no need to do anything. Just click on create app. So here you are supposed to give the profile password, Facebook profile password. Click on submit. Well, you can see the new application has been created. Just close this. This is the dashboard, and here your application name is reflecting threads auto posting, which I have created. So now we are going to do other step. Here below on the left side, just click on the app role and click on roles. So on this page, we are supposed to add our threads account. So just click on add people. On this pop-up, you will see the option threads tester. Just click on threads tester. It will show you a field, empty field, where you can search your thread account. So right here, the username of your thread account. I'm writing here my username of thread account, kamran.noor98. Well, you can see my thread account is appearing here. So I'm going to select it, and it is selected. So now we are going to add this one, and when we will click on the add button, it will send the approval to my thread account, and I'm going to suppose to approve the request. Click on add. Well, you can see status pending. So when I will approve the request, the status will be active. So now I'm going to my on threads account. Well, this is my thread account, kamran.noor.98. You can see over here. To approve the request, just click on more button. Click on settings. Click on more settings. Here you can see website permissions. Click on it, and here on invites, click on invites. You can see a request is appearing here. So I'm going to accept it. Just click on accept. Again, click on accept. Well, it has been accepted. Now we are going to our Meta app again, and here you can see pending. Now I'm going to refresh the page. Well, now you can see the pending status has been disappeared, so now it is active. So guys, now we are going to generate our access token in next step. So there are two ways to generate the access token. One is through the dashboard. Click on dashboard. Just click on this first option. Close this. Click on settings. So here you can see the generate access token. So guys, remember, here you can face the two different scenarios. On first scenario, you can get the 60 days expiry access token, and on the second scenario you may get the token with validity of an hour. So in my case, because I have already used this option to generate access token from over here, so there is a maximum chance it is supposed to give me 60 days validity access token. But I'm considering your case right now, because when you will be fresh on this page, you will encounter with the second scenario where you can get the access token with validity of an hour. So if you generate the access token from over here and it shows you the validity of 60 days, then it's good to go. On the other hand, if it gives you the validity with an hour, then you have to follow the another step to extend its validity. So I'm going to show you live both scenarios. I'm going to generate access token from over here. Just click on it. Well, it's asking to enter with my thread account. Click on continue as with your thread account. Well, you can see it has generated the access token. Click on I understand and copy it and click on done. Now we are going to check its validity. Go on tools, click on drop down, click on access token debugger. I'm opening this new tab. Paste the access token over here. Click on debug. Well, you can see expires in about 2 months. So it's the first scenario which I have already told you. Now I'm going to show you the second scenario. If it gives you the access token with expiry of an hour, and then how can we extend this access token? So I'm going to use here Graph API Explorer. Just go back to your thread app. Again, click on tools. Click on Graph API Explorer. Select open link in new tab. Here select thread. Well, remember here your thread app must be shown here, because in drop down you can see your 2 or 3 apps, but you have to select the subjected app for that you are working. So now click on generate thread access token. Well, you can see here it's asking to continue with your thread account. Click. Well, it has generated the access token. Now we are going to check its validity. Just copy token from over here and again go to debug option. Just remove this one and click this token. Click on debug. Well, you can see here this is the second scenario which I am talking about, and it is showing an hour validity. So when you generate the token from over here, from this option, and it shows the validity of an hour, or either you generate the token from over here and it shows the validity of an hour, in both cases we can extend its validity to 60 days. So now I'm going to show you how we can increase the validity of access token from an hour to 60 days. But before going to that step, I would like to suggest you that must click on submit button after generating the access token. Click on submit. Well, it has given my threads account ID, my threads account username and threads account ID. Just click on the ID button. Well, it is reflected here. Now copy this one and note it down in your notepad. Thread ID, paste here. Why we get the thread ID, why we need it, where we need it, I will show you later in the same video. Now we are going to extend the expiry. Again, copy this token and paste it in your notepad. Access token and our validity. Just paste over here. Just go back to your canvas. Here we are supposed to increase the validity of access token. So to increase the validity of access token, we use the HTTP request node. So double click on it. I'm going to rename it as exchange token. We are going to exchange the token from NR to 60 days. Save it. Here we have to set some parameters. Method, keep it on as get. URL, we are going to give a URL. I have noted it down already. This one. Control C and paste over here. So now this URL is going to generate the access token with validity of 60 days. Authentication none. Here add few query parameters just on the toggle and add 3 parameters. 1 already, 2 and 3. On first query parameter, name it as _type. Spelling must be correct and it must be in lowercase. And value th thread exchange _token. In the second query parameter, name client _secret, and in value we are going to paste the client secret. So where we can get the client secret, just go back to your thread app. You can see here on setting, here it is showing thread app secret. So just click on show, give your Facebook profile password, click on confirm, click on confirm again. Well, now it is showing the app secret. Just copy this and paste on your canvas note here. Well, I'm also going to save it on my notepad. After pasting the client secret, add the third query parameters, name and value. Here name the access _token and paste the access token you have generated with validity of an hour. Just click on your notepad, copy the access token and paste over here. Now all the parameters has been set up, and now we are going to generate the access token with validity of 60 days. Just click on execute setup. It's processing. Well, you can see it has generated the access token, exchange token. So now we are going to copy this one and go back to debug. Just remove this and paste the new token here. Click on debug. Well, you can see it has exchanged the token and it's giving 2 months expiry. So now we can use this token for our auto posting automation workflow. I'm also going to keep it saved on my notepad. I'm going to remove it and pasting here new token and update the validity 60 days. So guys, we have successfully generated the access token with validity of 60 days. And now I'm gonna repeat it again, what I have already told you, that you can generate the access token from over here in Meta app. And if it gives the expiry of 60 days, then it's good to go. Otherwise, you can extend the expiry through this step. Or if you generate the access token from Graph API Explorer, then you can extend the token with the same steps I told you. So one thing I will share you, that there is no good option on Meta platform through which we can extend the validity of access token. And if you try to extend the validity of access token on Meta's platform directly, then it can be complicated. But this is the easiest way to extend the validity. So guys, once it is extended, then second time you go back to your application and generate access token from over here. It definitely gives you the access token with expiry of 60 days. And if not, then you can follow the same step. We can also refresh this token after the 40-50 days through some modification in current parameters, but I don't recommend you. Just go back to your Meta app and generate the access token of 60 days expiry. If you don't get the 60 days expiry token, just copy the access token and paste over here and click on execute setup. So hopefully you will understand the whole process. And for your ease, I'm going to paste all of these settings in description box. So guys, please must subscribe my channel. So guys, now we are going to test our auto posting via this access token. Just close this node, keep it saved in your workflow or canvas. Now we are going to add nodes here for auto posting. Click on plus icon, HTTP, select this node, close this, just remove the connections, delete this one. So this is separate, and now for auto posting, these nodes will be separate with separate workflow. So guys, I have already told you that there is no specific node available in n8n for thread accounts through which we can automate the posting. So we have to use the HTTP request node. So there will be two nodes we are going to use to set up auto posting on threads account. Click, just add one more HTTP request. Close this. So first of all, I'm going to rename it. So I'm going to give this container's name as create container. Click on rename. Well, create container. This container is supposed to create the post and output the ID only. And this container is supposed to publish the post through that particular ID. So we are going to rename it as publish container. So now we are going to set up the parameters in the node. First of all, keep it on post, because now we are going to post the outside of the n8n. Here put the URL. I have already mentioned here. I can show you. Just copy this URL, paste. Well, you can see this URL graph.threads.net, and this is the version, and this one me means my account, and you know we have already integrated our threads account, this account, which is named as Kamran Noor. So in Meta application we have already integrated this thread account in apps role. You can see over here. So you can use the me for your account, but if you are working for the client and you have the multiple clients, then you can replace it from the ID. I'm going to replace it, and remember we have saved the client ID, thread ID, sorry. Just copy this and paste here. Now this ID is going to reflect my threads account, this one. And remember we got this ID from Graph API. When you suggest that, click on submit. If you have generated the token from over here and you don't have the threads account ID, then you can just go to the Graph API and click on generate thread access token with this setting, and after generating that access token, just click on submit. And you don't need to use this access token because you have already generated the access token from over here, but you need a profile ID, threads account profile ID. So in order to get the threads ID, you are using this step only. So when you click on the submit button after generating the access token, you will get the ID. Go back to your canvas. Hopefully you got it. Now authentication. Here we are going to paste our credential. And what is the credential here? Access token. Just click on it. Click on generic credential type. Another field will be opened with drop down. Just click on bearer oath. So I'm going to select bearer oath, and when I selected it, it gave me another field which with this credential hash account, which I have already created previously, but now we will create it again. Just click on drop down and create new credentials. In your case, this field will be totally empty and you will see here setup credentials button, but in my case I'm going to create new credential from over here. Click. You can see here it's asking bearer token. Bearer token means access token. So again, I'm going to copy 60 days expiry access token from over here, paste. Just click on save. Credentials has been successfully saved. You can see here. Just select new credentials, this one. Click on pencil icon and I'm going to name it, rename it. Click and save. Close this. So you can see for demo purpose credentials are saved. And now we are going to add send query parameter. Just click on it and on the toggle. Scroll down. Here we are supposed to add 3 parameters. One for text, which will work as a caption in threads post, and the second parameter will work as a image posting on threads account, and the third one through which we will generate the free photo to test our auto posting nodes. So I'm going to add 2 more. 1 2 3 nodes 3. So now I'm going to give the parameters name, media underscore type, and in value field write media. So this is supposed to post the image, and the second one image underscore URL, and in value field I'm going to paste this URL, because this URL is just only for testing purpose and it generates the free photos. In previous video when I was testing for Facebook page and Instagram account, I used the same URL and it works perfectly. So we can see here, first we selected the media type and the second one through which we are going to sending the image. Now we are going to add text option, or we can say caption. Right here text in name field and in value what you want to post as caption. Well, I'm writing here auto posting via auto post testing via n8n. So now all the parameters and setting of the node has been done. So now I'm going to test it, but before going to execute it, I would like to show you my thread account page once again. You can see here there is no post is added yet. This is totally blank and empty. And now real time I will show you the auto posting from n8n. So go back to your canvas. Now click on execute step. It's executing. Well, it's saying invalid parameter, so I need to check. So guys, don't worry, we always learn with the mistakes. So here I found a mistake. Here I should write the image. So now I'm going to test it again. Click on execute setup. Now you can see it has given the ID. So when it has given the ID, that's mean all the things are perfectly working. So now I'm going to close this one. And we cannot check the page right now because one step is still remaining here. In first container, it has generated the ID. I have already told you it is supposed to generate the ID. And now the time to publish the post. So now open the publish container, select the method post, use the same URL which we have already used in create container node. Just copy this one and paste here. Select the authentication, generic credential type, auth type, bearer auth. Well, my credentials are appearing here automatically. Click on this toggle, send query parameters. So guys, here we are only supposed to add only one parameter with ID mapping, because this ID has everything which Meta has given us. So I'm going to name this field as creation underscore ID, and now just drag and drop the ID in value field. And now I'm going to execute setup. Well, it's giving an error of parameter. Then the most probably the problem will be here. Well, my bad. Here we have to add the thread underscore publish, because we are going to publish. So we use, publish. Now we are going to execute setup. It's processing. Well, now it has given the output, and that's mean auto posting is working perfectly. So now I'm going to check my threads account. Just open the thread account. You can see it's empty. So I'm going to refresh my page. Refresh the page. Scroll down. Well, you can see the post is created with this free image and the same caption I have given in n8n node. So guys, hopefully you liked this video, and please must subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos like this. Thank you very much.